Hi, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Codecademy. You launch your browser, you search for Codecademy. You click on their link. It will take you to their website where you can sign up with your LinkedIn, your Gmail or your Facebook. So I'll log in with my Gmail. It will take you to their website where you can see the catalog and also find a course. So let's click on the find a course. You see a list of languages: HTML, Python, JavaScript, Java, SQL. So let's click on the Python. So you scroll down, you see free courses. Let's click on it and select Learn Python 2. So I've already enrolled in the course, so let's click on the resume. So on the resume, now it shows you a Python syntax where you can start learning from there. So when you are done writing your syntax, you can run the code on the web, which will give you the output. So you can click on next to go to the next lesson. Okay, so when you want to enroll in another course, you go to the catalog and you click on another language. So let's click on the SQL and let's go down and let's select the free courses and let's click on the Learn SQL. So I've already enrolled there, so let's click on the resume. Okay, so the same as the Python course, you see at the left side, you see their syllabus or their lesson notes. So you can run your query here. So here you can type your select all from celebs and you see the output there. Thank you for watching.